Imagine regaining control over your urinary health and experiencing daily comfort. Join countless men who have transformed their lives with Prostan Plus. Prostan Plus is a multi-ingredient food supplement that supports prostate health. It contributes to maintaining healthy prostate function due to its content of pumpkin seed and small-flowered willow. Its formula is also enriched with African cherry bark, which supports the maintenance of normal urinary function and contributes to urination comfort in men. In addition, it also supports peak urinary flow and renal excretory function with saw palmetto and nettle leaf. Here are the top benefits of using Prostan Plus. Prostan Plus supports the maintenance of normal prostate health, regulates the comfort and frequency of urination, and curbs the need to empty the bladder at night. Provides strong and natural support not only for the prostate, but also for the urinary system, kidneys, and reproductive system. In addition, it shows anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Helps regain male energy. Prostan Plus supports the comfort of daily functioning, helps maintain vitality, and contributes to improving fertility and maintaining sexual function. Prostan Plus is a product that, thanks to the power of natural active ingredients, works effectively with lasting results. Just 2 capsules a day are enough for you to fully enjoy your masculinity. Find out how the individual ingredients in the supplement affect prostate health. Prostan Plus contains a high dose of saw palmetto fruit extract, US+, pumpkin seed extra, 20% beta-sitosterol, pomegranate seeds extract, 40% ellagic acid, nettle leaf extract, 4% polyphenols, small-flowered willow extract, African cherry bark extract, tomato fruit extract, 10% lycopene, black pepper fruit extract, 95% piperine, bioperin, vitamin E, zinc, selenium. Selenium select feel refreshed, active, and worry-free. Don't let prostate issues dictate how you enjoy life. Take charge today. Your well-being is just a step away. Hit the link below, order Prostan Plus now to experience its benefits risk-free. Act fast, your prostate deserves the best support available.